Welcome the new Electrical Control VR instruction application by Fun2 on zSpace. The Electrical Control VR instruction utilizes VR technology to exhibit common low-voltage electrical appliances in 3D that provide strong visual explanations of their structures and working principles. In the common low-voltage electrical appliances, it will include the low-voltage knife switch, fuses, low-voltage circuit breaker, contactor, relay, and master switch. It allows the user to learn concepts such as component structure and principle, and exhibits the exploded and perspective views and animations of the model parts. Moreover, the control circuit building task can help learners better understand the symbols and functions of each part. By creating immersive learning experiences, the Virtual Electrical Control VR instruction application is used to better prepare students to take industry certifications and join the workforce.